We've got a full-blown Chicago snowstorm today, but that's not going to stop me from grilling some burgers. But before I do that, I need to shovel myself a safe walkway and safe place to stand. Now to brush off the snow off my grill cover and remove the outer cover. And now my inner Weber Q cover. My propane tank is unfortunately completely buried, so I need to dig it out. I'm also removing a little more snow from where I need to stand. Don't worry, there's nobody below me. I looked. Now, to give my grill one last brush off, open the lid, open the side tables, crank up the gas, and then fire up the grill. I see all the burners are on, so I'm going to shut that lid and let this preheat on high for about 20 minutes. This grill is pretty grimy, so as it preheats, I am going to scrape the grill grates clean and then re-season it with some olive oil. With my Weber Q cleaned and re-seasoned, I'm going to go ahead and shut this lid and let this continue to preheat. Now that the grill is up to temperature, it's time to lay out my burger patties. I kept these burgers simple today, seasoning them with just salt, pepper, and garlic. Once they are both on the grill, we can shut the lid and let this cook for about 4 minutes per side on high. After 4 minutes, we're going to open the lid and check on our burgers and give them both a flip. And it doesn't matter how cold and blustery it is outside, we are getting some flare-ups. But no worries, these flames aren't going anywhere because I'm going to shut the lid and snuff it out. And as usual, as we approach the end of our cook time, I'm going to lay out some cheddar cheese slices on these burger patties and then toast up a couple of hamburger buns. Let this go for 1 more minute and we should be done. And after 8 minutes of total cook time, it's time to pull everything off of this Weber Q. I kind of wonder if the folks shoveling the sidewalks downstairs can smell these burgers. I kind of hope they do. Anyways, once everything is off of this grill, it's time to assemble our Blizzard burgers. First up, using a clean plate, I am going to place my bottom bun. Next, I am adding my burger patty with melted cheddar cheese, and then laying down a slice of tomato. Whoops! I said I'm laying down a slice of tomato. Follow that up with some raw red onion rings, and cap it off with the top bun. And now to sample my Blizzard burger. So good. I don't know about you guys, but burgers seem to taste even better in bad weather. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and join me next week for another great recipe on the Weber Q. Stay safe and see ya.